Think about this for a second. It's 2026. We now live in an age where information spreads throughout the entire world in just seconds. As if we don't already have enough going on right now here in the United States, with illness outbreaks making headlines, such as psychosporosis, aka the explosive diarrhea that's in most states now. There's reports online right now of a whole new virus. It's overseas in the UK, and it's called the zombie virus.
The virus known as progenitor 1 is caused by defective DNA splicing and improper protein cell functionality. Defective genes within our DNA provide the blueprint for the production of progen 1 protein cells. Manipulations of the DNA result in a reduced production or an inability to produce the correct immune sequencing. Progen 1 infects a host using carriers called adeno-associated virus, or AAV. They can very quickly identify and target suitable protein cells for manipulation. The progenitor virus will isolate the most porous parts of the human anatomy, primarily the nasal, eye or oral cavity. Once the infected protein cells, progen 1, are inside, the virus will look to attack the host bone marrow and subsequently the white blood cells, as these are the only way the body can reduce infection speed. Once within the target cell, the endosome capsule sheds inside the nucleus, releasing its infected genetic material. The genetic material does not integrate into the cell's own DNA, but instead manipulates it for its own purpose. This allows them to take over major functions, starting with the circulatory, digestive and endocrine. Finally, moving on to lymphatic, muscular and nervous system, resulting in complete motor function and neurological shutdown and subsequent reconfiguration. These endosomes, however, are not passed on to future generations of cells, resulting in diseased or dying tissue. For virus longevity, the excretory system will adapt, creating pockets attached to the pathoroid glands, designed to contain infected molecules ready for projection and subinfection. Progen 1 transfer, infection or excretion will happen via the oral cavity. Similar to serpents, the infected mammalian teeth will act as injectors, transferring the virus molecules from the excretory glands. A secondary method is emesis. A projectile of infected fluid from within the infected stomach is forced out of the mouth towards a target. The progenitor virus, strand 0.718X, and its infected host is extremely dangerous and should not be approached under any circumstances. Please maintain your level 7 phantom safety equipment in case of emergency quarantine situation. Ensure you visit your local Harvard booster facility.
If you lived through COVID, then you know why people are now paying attention to this. We first heard about COVID happening in another country. We watched it on the news. We saw how it was affecting their daily lives. Next thing you know, the first case was here on American soil. It then spread like wildfire across the globe. Naturally, people are asking questions. Could this become something much bigger? Is it being reported accurately? And one question that always comes up now in today's world: if a virus like this exists, was it a natural occurring event? Or was it something created and modified by someone? Whether this story turns into exactly as reported or not, one thing remains certain. We're living in a time where events on the other side of the world can affect our daily lives. Stay informed, ask questions, verify what you see, and never ignore the possibility that today's headlines could become tomorrow's reality.